In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view a Smartsheet form. This process is simple and efficient, allowing you to quickly access and share forms within your Smartsheet environment. Let's dive right in. First, begin by going to your Smartsheet workspace or home. This serves as the hub from which you'll navigate to the specific sheet containing the form you need to view. When you arrive at your home screen, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. Smartsheet can be a robust tool, so having a mental map of where everything is located will greatly enhance your workflow. Next, you're going to find the specific Smartsheet sheet that contains the form you want to view. If you're dealing with multiple sheets or a large volume of data, using the search function can save you time. Simply type the name of the sheet into the search bar at the top and press enter. You'll be directed right to it without having to scroll through endless files. Now once you've located your desired sheet, open it and navigate to the Forms section. You can do this by looking for the Forms option in the top menu. Clicking on Forms will present you with a drop-down. From here, select Manage Forms. This will display all the forms associated with that particular sheet, giving you a complete view of your options. Once you're in the Manage Forms section, select the form that you need. This is a critical step, as you want to ensure you're looking at the correct form for your task. You'll find that each form is listed by name, so it should be easy to identify the one you're searching for. Take a moment here to review the list, especially if your sheet contains multiple forms. After selecting your form, it's time to preview it by clicking on Open Form. This action lets you view the form in its entirety, allowing you to ensure that everything is configured correctly before proceeding further. While previewing, pay attention to the details like field names, order, and the logic set up in the form, ensuring it functions as intended. Finally, once you're satisfied that the form is set up correctly, you might want to share it. Click on Share Form to explore your sharing options. Here you can choose to email the form directly, copy the link to distribute it manually, or even embed it within a dashboard or web page. These sharing capabilities allow you to tailor how you distribute the form according to your needs and audience, and there you have it, a comprehensive overview of how to view and share a Smartsheet form. I hope this guide has made the process clearer and easier for you to navigate. Thank you for watching, and don't hesitate to ask if you have any further questions.